In this video, we're taking a look at the latest device from Vaporesso, the Vibe SE2. Could have done that too, but I went with the safe one, the Victory 2. They've actually innovated something awesome, two for the price of one, but to explain that best, we should take a look. So here's the device, and this is the packaging it comes in. It's a very simple pod device. Pod on the top, and that is where I like to start off with my videos. You can see we've got top fill, which is a true top fill. It's right at the top, and that's where we fill. The pod does have two variants, so if you're lucky enough to be the freedom of international versions, you'll get a 4.5mm. Everywhere else that's TPD, this is going to be a 2mm. A 0.8 pod, which is what I've got here, and a 1 ohm pod. The 0.8 also has a 0.6 mesh coil built in, and if you get the 1 ohm pod, you've got a 0.7 built in. So you get two coils in one pod, two different power options. They're both aimed for mouth to lung, so they're 50/50 e-liquids. That's your kind of Nick salts, your little 10ml bottles, something like that. They are backward compatible with the whole Vibe series, and we just drop that one in there. What I love is even in the device, we've still got great visibility on exactly how much liquid is in the device, so we're never going to have a dry hit by running down our liquid. I've got this kind of leatherette finish, but I've also got a metal finish, so there is a plain option as well. Gone from 11 to a 1400 battery, and I guess real world usage, you're looking at about 6 hours on this one. It's a 1 amp charge port, but obviously your battery's going to last for a lot longer. You don't get a charge cable with this one, so we're banking on the fact that you've got one knocking around the house. There's no buttons, so it is a just auto draw. All of the innovation's been done to keep this super simple, so you pick it up, use it by inhaling on the device, and that's it. It's going to work first time. Now, as for those two power modes, they are done by this little switch here. You slide the switch up and you get green, which is your eco mode. Green is always green. Green is eco. Orange is power mode. It also adjusts your airflow. I'll try and show you on the camera there. So eco mode, you're getting 15 watts on a 0.8. Or drop it down, you're going to want a little bit more airflow as you go to the 0.6. It's going to give you 28 watts of power, and obviously you want more air for that power. So they've kind of made it ever so simple. And also, as you're vaping on the device and switching between, that LED light will go green, blue or red based on the amount of battery you've got. So green in the top third of charge, that's the best place to be. Blue as you're in the middle third, and when you're running out, it's going to light up red. So if I just do a quick check, blue, middle third of charge. And that's really all there is to this device. Pete, what does it vape like? So let's try first in power mode, which is that orange light there. So for a restricted direct inhale, loads of vapor, I am using the 50/50, which works really well on this, and it's a good vape, really nice flavour. Now for a mouth to lung, so it's that wide open airflow, or as open as it goes on this, which is restricted. And honestly, that is kind of like the amount of airflow that you would get on a normal disposable. So we'll switch it up now to the 0.8. So I've closed the airflow off, or it's closed the airflow off. Direct inhale, still works fine. Let's try mouth to lung. And it's super relatable to any of those disposable kind of built-in airflows. But that's all. I mean, there's plenty of other videos to look at, and which leads me nicely to the one that's going to appear over there. But if you want to make sure you see all of them, you'll have to subscribe, and that is just down there. Like before you leave, because that's the polite thing to do. And oh, there it is. You should go and watch it somewhere around here. See it? Bye then.